Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp status new update in iPhone. Firstly, click on WhatsApp app. Click on updates. Here you can see status. Click on plus icon. Click on camera. Select status you want to upload. Next, click on send icon. Your status has been sent. You want to see, click on my status. If you want to delete status, click on my status again. Click on view icon. Next, click on three dots here. Then click on delete. Again, click on delete once status update in pop-up window. You can see that your status has been deleted. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.